Hello everyone, and welcome to the Learn to Live episode of Whiteboard Update from CSG HR. Today we're going to be discussing Learn to Live, which is an interactive online resource that through clinical research has been proven to be as effective as in-person care. Programs include courses on topics like stress, anxiety and worry, social anxiety, and insomnia. Employees and their family members ages 13 and older who are eligible for company benefits have the option to participate in these self-paced online tools for free. You do not have to be enrolled in any of our company benefits. You simply need to be a benefit eligible employee, and then you can use the Learn to Live services at no cost. To start using Learn to Live, you will need to visit their website at learntolive.com/partners, and when prompted to enter your code, you will type MDUR and then click Submit. This will start a 6-part online assessment which will help you identify challenges that may be impacting your life. After you submit your online assessment, the website will display a list of recommended programs from which you can choose to enroll. All of these programs are built on the principle of cognitive behavioral therapy. To enroll in one of the programs, simply click the button that says Enroll Now. Then you will be taken to the login page. Before you'll be able to start any of the online programs, you will need to create a user account with Learn to Live. After you've set up your account with Learn to Live, you'll be greeted with a welcome from Dr. Russ, who is the founder of Learn to Live. Click Get Started to be taken to your home page. Here you can see details on the programs that you enrolled in after completing your online assessment. You'll need to complete each lesson before you're able to move on to the next one. To start Lesson 1, simply click on the lesson title. After you've completed the short assessment that's part of Lesson 1, you can continue by clicking the green button in the lower right corner. Most of the lessons will start with, or at least include, one video. As you continue through the different programs and lessons, there will be different animations and videos and learning tools presented to you that are relevant to the topic for which you are taking a program. At any point during a lesson, you can save and exit, and Learn to Live will keep track of your progress. You would simply click the Save and Exit button in the upper right corner. Once you exit the program, it'll take you back to your lessons page on the Learn to Live website. Learn to Live has a variety of other great resources on their website as well. The first one we're going to look at is coaching, where you'll click the Coach button on the top menu bar. Here's where you can contact in with the coach that has been assigned to you from Learn to Live. Another great place to find additional information is under the Resources tab. Here you can see details of the different lessons that you're going through in the particular programs that you enrolled in. Below the lesson details, you will find webinars and mindfulness moments from Learn to Live, where you can take on-demand trainings or learn of live webinars that are being offered by Learn to Live. The mindfulness moment allows you to sign up for text alerts. You do need to opt into the notifications and provide a mobile phone number to Learn to Live in order to use this benefit. Under the My Progress section of Learn to Live, you can see how your comprehensive assessment results have changed as you've gone through the different lessons within each of the programs. Teammates section of the website allows you to identify teammates that you would like to inform of your progress with the Learn to Live programs. This is entirely optional. Great benefit of Learn to Live is that the information can be accessed from anywhere, including the comfort of your home. The Learn to Live website is mobile friendly and compatible so that you can use it on your smartphone, tablet, or home computer. All information within the Learn to Live website is completely confidential and is never shared. Learn to Live provides you with practical tips that you can easily apply in real life. Thank you for joining us for this Whiteboard update. Have a great day.